Let's go on a photo safari by using Google Maps to bring the world to your students. First, head to Google Maps. The URL is maps.google.com. When you get to Google Maps, you'll be in map view. You can switch to satellite view. You can search for places. Once you get to places, you can zoom in or out, and you can go to Google Street View by picking up the little orange man and dropping him on a location. You will go down into Google Street View. You can exit out of Google Street View by hitting the back button or the X. You can zoom out on the map and get the entire continent or the entire world. Once you're far enough out, and once again, you go to Google Street View by picking up the little orange man that flies around with you, your mouse, and then anything that turns blue has a Google 360 image. And you can look around. You can zoom even further out and switch to the globe view by clicking on the little globe. When you switch to globe view and continue to zoom out on the world, eventually you'll be able to see the entire Earth. Continuing to zoom out will allow you to go to other planets and the International Space Center. When you head back to Earth, you can zoom in on the Earth and see weather patterns that are happening in real time on the Earth. So, for a photo safari, I assign my students to find items on the Earth that are pertaining to a particular lesson. If it was for art, maybe they'd go to the Van Gogh Museum. For history, the Lincoln Monument. For math, looking for shapes. Or for science, maybe they're looking at different ecosystems. Once the students locate the item that I want them to find, I have them take a screenshot and then capture the picture. Once they've captured the item, we share what we found on a Padlet wall. On a Padlet wall, click the plus button, click the upload, pick a file, and insert the screenshot that they have found. Once the screenshot uploads into the Padlet wall, all the other students that the Padlet wall has been shared with will be able to see each other's fantastic photos from Google Maps. And I enable a voting so they can click like on the photos that they find most interesting. We'll come back to this since it's taking a little time to upload. You can also do a collaborative Google slideshow, and students can paste their screenshot onto the Google slide by clicking Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, finding the screenshot, and inserting it onto the slide. Let's see if our Padlet wall is ready. There's the image. I usually have my students title it with their name, and they can even write something about it. Once they're finished, there's the vote icon, which they can click it and vote for their favorite Photo Safari photo.